Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Learning Channel. I am Mary. I am your friendly English teacher. I am very happy you are here today.
Hello, Mary. Hello, everyone. My name is John. I am learning English just like you.
Today, we will learn how to speak English confidently. We will use daily life phrases, simple phrases, easy phrases, phrases you can use every day.
That sounds good, Mary. I want to speak English with confidence, but sometimes I feel shy.
That is okay, John. Many people feel shy. Today, we will practice together, step by step, slowly and clearly.
Thank you, Mary. I feel relaxed already.
That is great. Let's start with a warm greeting.
Okay.
When you meet someone, you can say hello, or you can say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Very good, John. You can also say good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening.
Good morning, Mary. Good afternoon, Mary. Good evening, Mary.
Excellent. These are daily life phrases. They are very common.
Mary, what if I want to be friendly?
Good question, John. You can say, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Perfect. This is a very natural conversation.
It feels easy when we practice like this.
Yes, practice helps a lot. Now, let's learn phrases for daily life situations.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine you meet a neighbor. You can say, how are you today?
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
That sounds polite.
Yes, polite English is simple English.
I like that.
Now, let's talk about asking for help. This is very important.
Yes, I need help sometimes.
You can say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Then say, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Very good. You can also say, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Excellent. Adding please is polite.
Mary, what if I want to ask for directions?
Good question, John. You can say, excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Great. Very clear and simple.
I feel more confident already.
That makes me happy. Confidence comes from practice.
Yes, practice, practice, practice.
Now, let's talk about shopping.
Oh, I like shopping.
Imagine you are in a store. You can say, hello.
Hello.
Then you can say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Very good. You can also say, can I see this, please?
Can I see this, please?
Excellent. Simple and polite.
Mary, what if I want to buy it?
You can say, I want this, or I will take this.
I want this. I will take this.
Perfect. These phrases are very useful.
Yes, I can use them in real life.
That is the goal. Real English for daily life.
What about food, Mary? Like in a restaurant?
Great idea, John. Let's go to a restaurant.
Okay.
You can say, hello.
Hello.
Then you can say, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
Very good. When you order food, you can say, I would like a sandwich.
I would like a sandwich.
Or, I would like some tea.
I would like some tea.
Excellent. Simple and polite.
Mary, what if I like the food?
You can say, the food is good. Or, I like the food.
The food is good. I like the food.
Nice. What about you want the bill?
I don't know.
You can say, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. Very natural English.
This is really helpful.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, let's talk about daily conversations.
Okay.
Imagine you meet a friend. You can say, how was your day?
How was your day?
I can say, it was good, or it was busy.
It was good. It was busy.
Very good. You can also say, what about you?
What about you?
Excellent. This keeps the conversation going.
I like that. Sometimes I don't know what to say next.
That is normal. Short questions help a lot.
Yes, I see that.
Now let's practice talking about plans.
Plans?
Yes, you can ask, "What are you doing today?"
What are you doing today?
I can say, "I am working," or "I am studying."
I am working. I am studying.
Very good. You can also say, "I am relaxing."
I am relaxing.
Nice. Simple present tense. Easy English.
It feels easy when you explain it like this.
Thank you, John. Now let's talk about feelings.
Feelings are important.
Yes, you can say, "I am happy,"
I am happy.
or "I am tired,"
I am tired.
or "I am excited."
I am excited.
Great. These words help you express yourself.
I feel more confident now.
That is wonderful. Confidence grows step by step.
Mary, what if I make a mistake?
That is a very good question. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Really?
Yes, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Don't be afraid. Speak English every day.
I will try.
Now let's do a small recap.
Okay.
Today we learned daily life phrases. Greetings like hello and how are you? Asking for help. Shopping phrases. Restaurant phrases. Talking about your day and feelings.
Yes, we learned many useful phrases.
And they are simple, easy to remember, easy to use.
I feel more confident now.
That is the goal of the English Learning Channel, to help you speak English confidently.
Thank you, Mary. Thank you, English Learning Channel.
You are welcome, John, and thank you to our listeners.
Yes, thank you, everyone.
Now, we have a question for you. What daily English phrase do you use most?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your comments.
Don't forget to like this episode.
Yes, like, subscribe, and share. Share with your friends and family.
Learning English is better together.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling. You can do it.
Yes, you can do it.
See you next time on the English Learning Channel.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.